I've often felt disappointed when trying to produce AI animated videos using guides. Either I had to pay for the tools, or the resulting animations were bland and unimpressive, leading to a lack of interest from audiences. Recognizing this issue, I took the initiative to produce a tutorial video on how to make top-notch AI animations without spending a dime. You'll get to see the animated video I put together myself toward the video's conclusion. The method is simple. Start by drafting an audio script and then design the visuals for the video. Step 1. Converting script to audio. Begin by seeking assistance from ChatGPT for your animation script and visual cues. Once the script is ready, transfer it to a word processing tool like Notepad. Make sure to insert commas and spaces to keep the voice flow smooth and natural. To transform the script into an audio format, utilize a complimentary online service like ttsfree.com. Choose a voice and modify its tone and tempo. The advantage is that registration isn't required, but there's a restriction on the amount of text you can input at a time. For more extensive scripts, consider breaking them into sections. For a more seamless experience, consider registering on app.clipchamp.com. Navigate to the Record and Create section and then opt for Text-to-Speech. Here, you can input your full script without any cost. Feel free to make adjustments as needed and then save the audio piece. Incorporate it into a timeline and finalize the export. While both platforms provide commendable voice quality, there's a chance of encountering some background disturbances in the audio. For pristine voice narrations, head over to podcast.adobe.com. Find the Enhanced Speech feature and upload your audio clip. The subsequent refinement process elevates the sound clarity, ensuring top-notch quality. Step 2. Crafting images and animating them. The next step involves image creation. Rely on ChatGPT's prompts for guidance. To transform text into visuals, there are two excellent complementary tools at your disposal, Leonardo.ai and Aitubo.ai. Both platforms grant daily free credits for image generation. While Leonardo offers flexibility, Aitubo excels in producing animated-style graphics. For the latter, opt for the Cartoon Craft model. Simply retrieve the prompt from ChatGPT and input it there. At times, tweaking the prompt slightly might be necessary to achieve the desired image. The image-to-image function can be quite handy here. Draft a prompt for the desired image and modify the guidance scale and intensity to attain the outcome you're aiming for. However, there might be instances where the AI doesn't fully grasp your vision. Should the AI not capture your idea accurately, consider providing hints by sketching preliminary images using tools like Photoshop or Canva. Begin by uploading your reference images, crafting a suitable prompt, and fine-tuning the parameters to generate distinctive visuals. Leonardo.ai operates in a manner akin to Aitubo, offering a daily allowance of 150 credits. Should your credits run dry, seamlessly transition to Leonardo.ai and repeat the process. With your images at hand, the next step is their transformation into captivating videos. There are 3 free image-to-video converters, each tailored to specific scenarios. Leia Pix animations, for instance, provide simplicity and unrestricted usage. Head to leiapix.com. Sign in via your Google account and upload your image assets. Here, you have the liberty to tweak animation settings and subsequently download your creation in your preferred format. For more intricate animations, consider General Animations, which grant you 100 daily credits. Navigate to alpha.genmo.ai. Upload an image and rely on the AI to suggest a fitting description. Initiate the animation process with a click on Make Video. You can also apply animations selectively using the Brush tool. Once you're content with the result, conveniently download your video from the provided option. Notably, Pika Labs emerges as the most outstanding choice among these options, offering its services completely free of charge. Utilizing Pika Labs requires the possession of a Discord account. To get started, visit pika.art and join the beta program by accepting the invitation. Once accepted, proceed to the Creation section within the Discord app. Here, you can initiate the animation generation process by issuing a command. Craft a prompt, select an image, and within a minute, you'll receive the desired result, which can be saved directly to your device. Be sure to store all animation clips and sequences for easy access during the editing phase. Step 3. Final enhancements and bonus pointers. Next, Employ your preferred video editing tool to seamlessly integrate these elements with your audio. To elevate your video's quality, consider incorporating background music and sound effects. Seek out copyright-free music on platforms like YouTube that align with the mood and theme of your narrative. Download background sounds that harmonize with specific scenes, such as forest ambience for forest settings. For added impact, explore the inclusion of special effects, like green screen fireflies or other enhancements that complement the overall result. For heightened engagement, include subtitles in your video. Overlay a green rectangle on the video tracks and export it as a green screen video. This information will come in handy later. Now, proceed to vidyo.ai and click on Begin for free. If it's not accessible in your region, navigate to the Import Video option and upload your green screen video. Choose Upload one file, then click Done and access the dashboard. Open the file in the editor, adjust the dimensions to 16:9 landscape, and opt for the third template. Remove the section related to social media. Next, visit the Subtitle section and pick a style that suits your preferences. You can download the video now, but be aware that the free version only supports a 720p quality output. If you've utilized your primary animation video, it's advisable to export it in 720p resolution. This is where the green screen proves its value, as it aids in preserving the video's quality while incorporating subtitles. With the final compilation of animations and subtitled content, you're almost set. Remove the green screen, and now you possess a polished video that's ready for sharing, all without spending a single penny. This journey serves as a testament to AI's potential in animation, enabling you to craft captivating narratives to share with the world. Moving forward, let's delve into a closer examination of what I have created.
In a whimsical and enchanting world known as Dreamlandia, where dreams are born and take flight, there lives a brave and curious dream catcher named Luna. Luna is no ordinary dream catcher. She possesses a magical rainbow-colored tail made of flowing threads that shimmer with every color of the rainbow. A breathtaking landscape of Dreamlandia, with cotton candy clouds floating in a pastel blue sky, and a serene, sparkling river winding through a candy cane forest. One day, Luna discovers that a powerful dream has gone missing. This dream is said to be the source of joy and laughter in Dreamlandia, and without it, the world has become dull and gray. Luna standing at the entrance of Dreamlandia, a gigantic rainbow-colored archway with stars twinkling around it. Determined to save Dreamlandia, Luna embarks on a thrilling adventure. She journeys through various dreamscapes, meeting an array of unique dream characters along the way, each with their own quirks and challenges. Among them are Luna and a friendly fire-breathing dragon dream named Blaze, soaring above a vibrant, star-studded night sky. Luna navigating through a puzzle-like labyrinth dream filled with giant floating jigsaw pieces, searching for clues. Luna and her newfound friend, a mischievous dream cat named Whiskers, trying to outsmart a comical dream jester in a neon-lit circus dream. As Luna gathers clues and faces her fears, she discovers that a shadowy figure, the Dream Thief, is behind the dream's disappearance. The Dream Thief is stealing dreams to keep them all for themselves, believing they can find happiness through power. Luna and the Dream Thief locked in a magical showdown amidst a swirling vortex of dreams. In a thrilling climax, Luna must use her unique rainbow tail and the power of friendship to outwit the Dream Thief and restore the missing dream to Dreamlandia. Luna and her dream friends, including Blaze, Whiskers, and other dream characters, holding hands in a circle, channeling their energy into the missing dream to bring it back. With the dream returned, Dreamlandia bursts back to life in a spectacular display of color and magic. Luna becomes a hero celebrated by all, and Dreamlandia is filled with laughter and joy once more. A grand celebration in Dreamlandia with colorful fireworks illuminating the sky, dream characters dancing, and Luna at the center, wearing a sparkling crown. The story ends with Luna realizing that the true magic lies not only in catching dreams, but in the friendships and bonds she has formed along her extraordinary quest. Luna and her friends sitting together, sharing stories under a tree in Dreamlandia, the vibrant, dream-filled world stretching out behind them. This heartwarming and visually captivating story of courage, friendship, and the power of dreams will inspire and enchant children, teaching them the value of working together to overcome challenges and make the world a brighter, more colorful place.